Hi, Ganesh here, Blue Leo Trading Academy of India, bringing you the live trade results each and every day. So let's start with today's overview. We'll see what will happen. Hi, these trade results for 21st of April 2020. Firstly, let's have a look at our trade performance for the last 21 days. So on 21 days, we had a positive of 15 days and a negative at 6 days at NSE. And overall, we made a profit of 26.98. It's almost 27% in just 21 days. So this is how the strategy been working, and you can see that from the day one how we started, we reached 7%, 9%, 10%. We reached very quickly to these points, and we made a 26.98, which is really good thing in intraday. So this is the trade performance. Now let's have a look at today's market overview. So today Nifty was down. It was down by 3.03%, and you can see we had a two strategy today, which we call short and the long. So short always give us a short signals, long always give us a buy signals, and you can see today market down and our short strategy worked well, and it made a profit of 6.16%. And the long didn't work because the market was in opposite trend, but still we had a very good returns in the short strategy. And you can see it on the short we had a 10 trades. On the 10 trades, one trade we lost and a 9 trade we won, which is really good. And you can see long 31 we had a 10 trades, only 2 trades we lost, but 8 trades were not triggered. So you can see the trigger price not hit because the market was in the opposite trend. So our strategy always give a good result. So neither it is a short 21 or long 31. So if the market positive, our long 31 always give a good results. If the market is negative, our short strategy give a good result. So having a two strategies at any market condition you can trade, that is the best thing about this strategy. So this is the overview for today. Now let's have a look at these trades with the more detail. So this is the 10 stock that you are following, and this data is for a short, and you can see we pick the stocks from yesterday from NSE. So when we pick a stock for intraday, it's really important to pick a stock which has a high volume. So volume is important because we need to get in the market fast and we need to get out of the market fast. Also we need the right price value. For that, volume is really important, and for this strategy we prefer above 1 million volume, and this is a yesterday's close. So we need to close because in this strategy we need a 2 signal confirmation to enter the trade, whether it is a short 21 or whether it's a long 31. So we need a 2 signal, which we call our first signal open zone, what you're seeing here, and we call a trigger price, what you're seeing here. So this trigger price for the short, and we want the stock price to open in the open zone in the morning. So open zone is the price what we are expecting market to open. So if the market open on between these price, and if the market price drop to trigger price after got open in the open zone, then we can trade them. And we want this to happen 9:15 to 9:30. So if after 9:30 if any stocks came and dropped to the trigger zone, then we cannot trade them. This is you need to remember. So open zone and the trigger price both are important, and the trigger price always come below than the open zone. If the open zone is 100, trigger price will be 95 or 90. So when it comes to long, trigger price will be above the open zone. If the open zone is 100, trigger price will be 105 or 110, and always it depends on the stock price and the volatility. So these are the 10 stocks that we are followed. Now let's have a look at the short 21's graphs. So this is the power slide. Also these slides available on our daily email, so you can download, you can review them. And this is our winning trade, and you can see this stock was won in the short 21, but we lost in the long 31. And you can see the stock price was open in the right open zone. The first it went and triggered us in the long 31, but it's unable to go and reach the take profit. But again it came down and took us in the trade, which is short 21. And after that took us in the short 21, you can see that the trend was moving in the sideways. But after a few hours, again the stock price came down and hit the take profit, and we make a profit here. We make a profit of 3.65% on this single trade. And this is another winning trade, and you can see the stock price was open in the right open zone. Also it came and hit our trigger price. After got triggered, again same candle came and hit our take profit, and we make a profit of 2.96. It's almost a 3% on this single trade. And this is another winning trade example. Again this stock was open in the right open zone. Again it came here, it hit the trigger price. After got hit again, it came and took us out of the trade by hitting the take profit. And this is a winning trade example. Again we got triggered by this red candle. After got triggered, it took almost 2 hours to hit the take profit, and we exit the trade with a profit of 2.93%. So this is a winning trade. This stock was open, and again it came and hit the trigger price. After the trigger, again it came and hit our take profit. We made a profit. So this is a losing trade, and you can see the stock price was opened here, and it came and took us in the trade. After the trigger, again the second candle went back and hit our stop loss, and which is this red line, and we lost this trade. So this is a winning trade example. This stock was open and the right open zone, also it came and hit our trigger price. After the trigger, again it came and hit our take profit, and we make a 1.47% on this trade. And this is another winning trade. Again we won this trade by hitting the take profit, and we make a 1.42% here. And this is another winning. Again we came down straight away and hit our take profit, and we make a 1.60% on this single trade. And this is another winning trade. Again the stock was open in the right open zone, also it came and took us in the trade. After the trigger, again it came down and hit our take profit. We make a profit of 1.33% on this single trade. And these are the trades for today. Now let's have a look at the stocks which you're going to follow for tomorrow. So these are the 10 stocks that you're going to follow tomorrow, and we picked them today from NSE. And we can see the volume. We need above 1 million volume we have here, and we have the close, today's close. So based on this, we have the tomorrow opens on. So this is the first signal going to be for us tomorrow. If the stock price is going to open between this price, then only we can trade them. And also we need to wait for the second signal, which is our trigger price, and trigger price will be available morning at 9:07. So we need to wait for that. So this is the stocks that we're going to trade. And if you guys have any questions regarding this strategy or the Excel sheet, please let us know on the 21 day trading portal. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.